Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to export all files from a Telegram group using the latest update on the Telegram desktop app for PC. Whether you want to back up important documents, save shared media, or simply organize your group files, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as exporting files isn't available on the mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the group from which you want to export files. Click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's contact info panel. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options, select Export Chat History. This powerful feature allows you to download not just messages, but also all the media and files shared in the group. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content. To export only the files, make sure to check the box labeled Files. You can also adjust the file size limit to ensure you capture everything you need, especially if your group shares large documents or media. If you want to include photos or videos as well, simply check those boxes too. Once you've selected your preferences, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will begin preparing your files for download. Depending on the size of your group's history, this process may take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll see an option to Show My Data. Click this to open the folder where your exported files are saved. Inside, you'll find all the files from your group, neatly organized and ready for you to use or archive. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can export all files from any Telegram group directly to your PC, keeping your important documents and media safe and accessible whenever you need them.